Gracie, gonna try another present? Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Open it.
She's so serious.
What's inside? What's that?
Rip it. Shake it.
Oh.
Help her.
Grace, open it. Open it. Open it. That's it. It's okay, you can rip it. You rip magazines all day.
Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Whoop.
Whoop. Open it. That's it. Pull it from here.
Oh, Cash, you're so cute. Hi.
Open it up.
Yes, hello.
Open it up. There you go. There you go. What do you got? What do you got?
Don't eat that. Gracie. What is this?
There you go.
Pretty. Now she's getting the hang of it.
After the presents out.
Oh, look at this. That has Grace on it.
Gracie, who's that? That's you.